TronMakers. And this one we're covering level 4, so when we do eventually buy up to level 4, it's 100,000 TRX, so that'll be in the future. Incentive per partner is 10,000 TRX and it's paid up to your 8 lines. So every time we upgrade a level, we add another line on, and so we've got 8 lines. So out of the 100,000 TRX that you will pay or I will pay, 10,000 will go to the upline partners above you, and then that will, by paying this amount, you'll be qualified to receive earnings from all 8 downlines. So here's the total partners that will be in the network, and the payout will be 5.1 million TRX. So very exciting, and everyone gets paid in this program. It's what makes it unique, and there's also a random assignment. So very exciting, and yeah, hope you feel free to join up and get in early. We're on pre-sale. 1st September is the official worldwide launch. So hit the link below. Make sure that you've got a Tron wallet and a Chrome browser and TRX in it, and you can then hit the link below and sign up with the ID number provided. And yeah, feel free to subscribe, like and share. Hit the bell notification, and I will see you in the next one. Cheers.